Today, we're exploring a gadget that can completely transform your cooking experience, the Digital Meat Thermometer. This thermometer is not only about fast and accurate temperature reading but also features waterproof design, backlighting, and ease of use that make it a popular choice. Let's find out why it's one of the best budget-friendly picks for cooking, and we'll also dive into customer reviews and weigh its pros and cons. Product features. 1. Fast and accurate temperature reading. The Digital Meat Thermometer features an instant read function that gives you the temperature of your food in just a few seconds. This ensures you always know when your meat is perfectly cooked, which is ideal for those who care about precision in every stage of cooking. 2. Waterproof design. This model is fully waterproof, so you can safely use it in any cooking environment, whether in the kitchen or outdoors. The waterproof feature also makes it easy to clean, which is perfect for busy kitchens. 3. Backlight and hold feature. With backlight functionality, this thermometer makes it easy to read temperatures even in low light. The hold feature lets you lock in the temperature reading, so you don't lose it even if you need to look away. 4. Versatile usage. Whether you're cooking meat, making candy, grilling outside, or roasting, this thermometer is suitable for various uses. Its versatility makes it a valuable addition to any kitchen, simplifying the temperature control for multiple cooking styles. Customer reviews. From my experience, this thermometer is a fantastic helper in the kitchen. The fast and accurate reading lets me know the exact temperature of my food quickly, and the backlight feature is a bonus. Lisa, home chef. I use this thermometer for barbecues, and it works wonderfully. Not just for meat, I even use it for candy making. It's truly versatile. Mike, hobby cook. The waterproof design is great because I don't have to worry if it accidentally falls in water during cooking. Emily, food blogger. Pros and cons. Pros. Fast and accurate reading, quickly measures cooking temperature with accuracy. Waterproof design, safe from accidental spills or water exposure. Backlight, easy to read in low-light conditions. Multifunctional, ideal for everything from meat to candy. Easy to clean, effortless cleanup after cooking. Cons. High temperature performance may require caution at extremely high temperatures. Battery usage, backlighting can cause the battery to drain faster. Budget-friendly and why it's a great choice. The Digital Meat Thermometer is an affordable thermometer that offers both speed and accuracy in temperature measurement. While it performs like a premium product, it's actually budget-friendly. For those looking for a reliable yet affordable tool for precise cooking, this thermometer is an excellent choice. Thank you for watching this review of the Digital Meat Thermometer. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful reviews and tips on kitchen gadgets and cooking essentials. Also, feel free to share this video with your friends and family who love cooking. Let's help everyone cook with confidence and precision. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Links in the description box for each product mentioned.